Hello, Year 7. So, last lesson we looked at converting fractions into percentages. So today I want to look at turning percentages into fractions. So if we take 30%, hopefully we can remember that 30% means 30 for every cent 100, so out of 100 for every 100. So I've already turned it into a fraction. What I can do then is I can turn it into a simplified fraction by seeing if there's a number that goes into both the top and the bottom. You can see both the top and the bottom are divisible by 10. So that will be 3 over 10. So 30% as a fraction is 3/10. If I take another one, let's take 45% this time. So 45 for every cent 100, so out of 100. This time they're not in the 10 times table, but they are in the 5 times table. So 5 into 45 goes 9 times, and 5 into 100 goes 20 times, so 45% as a fraction is 9/20. Let's do a few more. Let's do 18%, so 18 for every 100 cent. Now you can see these ones are even, so I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2's into 18 is 9, 2's into 100 is 50. Won't go down any further. So those are reasonably easy ones. You can have harder ones. I could have decimals. I could have 20.5%. So again, it's still 20.5 over 100. But I don't like decimals in fractions. We don't write decimals in fractions. That's not a proper form of maths. So get rid of the decimals. So to get rid of the decimals, I want to move that decimal place 1 that way, which means timesing the top, and so therefore the bottom as well, by 10. So that's going to be 205 out of 1,000. Can you see now they're both in the 5 times table? So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 5. You might want to do a little short division for this. So you might want to say 205 divided by 5. 5's into 2 doesn't go. 5's into 20 goes 4 times. 5's into 5 goes once, so that's 41. 5's into 1,000. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5's into 10 goes twice. 5's into 0, 0. 5's into 0, 0. So 41 over 200, and that won't cancel down anymore. Okay, so that is it for how you turn percentages into fractions. It is that easy. Okay, it's even easier than doing it the other way around, really. Okay, but we always start with the other way around for some reason. Okay. That's all you need to know for turning percentages into fractions.